I just got my second sale, baby. Second sale. This one feels better than the first. The first, I didn't believe it. The first, I didn't believe it. I did not believe it. Like I thought it was not true, or it was a mistake, or I got one lucky I got a second one. I can't wait now tomorrow to just sit on my desk and just organize this shit, because I haven't been working on it. I've been just fucking traveling in school. But I remember the last time I recorded here, I fucking said, walking after school to my car, the last time I was here, I fucking said it. I said it. This month is gonna be crazy. I'm gonna be traveling. I'm gonna be making money. Holy, it's real. It's real. It's real. Like, no, like, what the fuck? It's real. Woo! I might look like a fucking retard right now, but it doesn't matter. It's legit. And it's looking scalable. I don't gonna look at the analytics, but it's fucking looking scalable. And that's where the money is really made. And that's where it's gonna pop off. Fucking shut off all the other ones that don't work and put all the money into the ones that's working. And that's where the money starts coming in, baby. Bro, I'm already thinking like, oh my God. I might be getting ahead of myself though. I'm already thinking like, because I have to manually process the orders. So I gotta get someone to do it. I gotta find another supplier. Oh no, I'm getting ahead of myself though, low-key. But fuck. One more. Woo! Uh-oh, his car's stopping me. I'm not talking to you. Let's go, baby. See you tomorrow with the analytics, boy.